Water shoes. Alright, so you support.
More.
So I like.
Where's the live up?
Another day at the office.
We know about office life, Justin.
Yeah, yeah. I know. Dodge.
Get it up. I got it, man. What? Job. Yeah.
You know, in those times, no steam, no cement was in the place, so they use cow blood and molasses to keep the stones together. Ooh. Yeah.
Where mom gonna drink on this?
Chicken. Grandma, I can't sweet. Well, I don't think I'm the best, but I'll make the fire work for me.
Thank you. Wait, so you just put it on?
Yeah. What you want?
I'm kind of hungry.
Which part are you taking?
Yeah, but I'm upset.
You got too much meat for me, so I need bone.
Hey, what's the boy? What's man name midfield? Look what man name midfield. Look like a little boy.
Does it look like it tastes good? Yes, it's all gonna taste good. Look like it tastes good.
You like it tastes good? If it tastes good, I buy 2 more pieces. Money, magic.
All the while.
You hear that?
So we use it like a sugar scrub. We apply it to the skin, it's exfoliating, it's great for sunburn, mosquito bite, and any skin rashes you could possibly have. Yeah, man. So today you guys get a complimentary foot massage. Yeah, man. So you love
You can't even get tough.
yeah, man. It's like it'll be easy.
So this is the limestone, you know? Good for the skin, good for sunburn, mosquito bites, anywhere skin disease, you have vitiligo, stretch marks, eczema, any one of those, you know?
Where you get them from?
You know, alright, they're in the water. It's what helps to keep the water purified.
So this one of them mistakes?
So this is, no, we normally sell them, but you're Jamaican, so I know you're gonna lick me over.
You cannot tell you all.
Alright, so this is our fresh water. I
lie.
Yeah, man. Remember, the water is a little bit wet,
Video show
right?
you make a video R. And then you can come up back for me. Body scrub. Oh, you're gonna take a little piece of everybody. Yeah. You're a bit teen, man. That's how I really work out this.
Gigi Shell. That's it, yeah.
I want to take the whole river when I see result.
There was some river water with me. I'm a water school. And you can stay like long, right?
No, they know.
Just keep it in some water.
Okay.
Keep it moist.
Pull them out.
No,
Can I
Sally,
tell
I'm not
you?
here about my toes, dollar. People back $100 do. You weird up on your full tour.
Come on, stretch you.
Video no.
Oh, biggest mistake. God, I gotta rub down.
Long time she wait for the rub again, you know.
He said I got sleep.
Wake me up. You nice?
Yeah, you feel all of the little greens. Something like
Oh, wow.
everything.
I felt that.
Watch out.
No, walk on them. They walk on my knee. Don't walk on my knee. I walk on my arm.
Cherish your food.
I don't like seeing the green.
I compare it to the sugar scrub.
Okay.
I always like anything with stuff with the green, like your face and stuff.
Not even did know say limestone could have do that. You know, say, I never know say limestone them use.
What do you think?
Cause me don't know limestone as white, I know it as green.
Oh, God.
I thought it was clay.
And that me the thing too.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, because
Calm
the
down.
Get away from it off.
It look like this white.
You can drop asleep.
So you know they do limestone backside. You know they are those limestone.
Okay.
Like a put in work. Chris, I know you come.
Drop asleep, yes.
Like a put in work, man. Watch it, I zoom in.
I can't believe they fan me.
Nice big cup.
Do it again.
You make me know about this alawa.
South coast side.
Cool, I tried to stop.
All on Bamboo, middle quarters, them side.
Try to Elizabeth Eddie and stop.
Make sure catch Chris and asleep too.
Can't even wave. And then to relax.
Big coconut. Slice big.
It's a content, you know. That my father say a content this.
Video.
Prawn.
Souvenir, keep that, alright?
Thank you.
Plastic straws are cancerous, you know?
Yeah, that's what with some paper.
The paper are not good either.
I feel like my child.
Jamaican. Don't know what. Nutmeg.
Where you get nutmeg from?
Only one thing, something know you're greater.
Why smell like? Does it smell like matches?
A firestone them there.
These are Flintstone.
Yeah.
They were dry, we could catch a fire, you know?
I did not know that.
Yeah, you know now.
The video and picture from
You bruise the feet. You get the feet bruised. It's shook. Shook. We usually clean them up when we get them, you know, because it's like a little mold on the outside.
We are having rope, you know? No leg, you know?
And I do like this.
Yeah. Some little boy this me the other day.
Different.
Nice, yeah. Who am I come with? Like a baby.
Anyway, we put it on, it's gonna be different, you know, because you got a lot of sunburn. Right?
Yes. I'm gonna mega use it. Oh my god. Mega use. Oh, buy my stone. I gotta exfoliate my body.
That's it, has it me have cash?
Yeah. I use it as exfoliate. I have the grits. Yeah.
What cash them?
No, I gotta go people. What you say now, ball? What kind of cool?
You're not that cool.
Chris, I don't know, go up enough for beer, you know.
I'm going to tell you. Ask. None rubber dog.
Don't be there already.
My God, I'm going to eat so.
What set you up? My beard goes on like a baby.
My God.
Me catch off for
Real trouble.
Everywhere she go.
Troublemaker.
Hey, watch
Watch it out,
Watch it.
Sorry.
Careful.